Here's everything we ate in Boracay, so keep wandering with me and I'm gonna show you some popular and some under-the-radar food spots you should try. First on the list, Mayas. Both Filipino and Mexican comfort food ang meron dito, so expect fusion na swak sa cravings. If gusto mo mag-chill, Rewind Cocktail Bar is the key. They have a good cocktail selection, from classic mojitos to signature drinks nila, sulit every drop. Highly reco ko to if you are into mixology na talagang masarap at hindi lang pang picture. Next on the list, Ellie Inasal. Pinoy comfort food but on another level. Gusto ko dito yung liempo, pork chop, barbecue, at the best talaga for me yung kare-kareng bagnet at sinigang na bagnet. Siguradong mapaparami ka ng kanin dito, but don't worry kasi unlimited ang rice and soup. Sa mga team kape like me, seasoned coffee is a must try. We got the lychee fruit tea, orange espresso, and my personal fave, banana pudding matcha. Hindi ko talaga na-appreciate ang kape kapag hindi mainit, pero this one is an exception. Super refreshing kasi and unique ang taste. And look at the view. Teka, hindi ako. Super aesthetic talaga ang beachfront coffee shop na to. Kung gutom ka talaga at gusto mo ng sulit, Spice Bird ang sagot. Big servings at flavorful na dishes na pang salo-salo. The best for me, hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yung watermelon shake. Perfecto, lalo na kung kasama mo mga friends or family for shared meals. Seafood lovers, this one's for you. Nalka Seafood Restaurant. Ang dami naming orders, pero ang nagustuhan ko dito ay yung motoyaki scallops, pork sisig, oyster sisig, at syempre, fresh raw oysters. If you want Italian cuisine, try Aria Restaurant. I tried their Quattro Formaggi or the 4-cheese pizza and carbonara. Creamy, cheesy, at just the right kick of flavor. For dessert, Ube Mama. Ang generous nila sa serving at pine-prepare pa lang natatakam na ako. May dalawang flavor, yung corn maja blanca at ube. But I tried the mixed corn maja blanca and ube, and trust me, you'll want more. Nakasalubong ko pa nga mga friends ko at nagtitikiman kami ng Coco Mama sa kalsada. Mas masarap lang yung sa akin, legit. Last on the list, but definitely not the least, a playa. 10/10 itong Risotto Nero. Italian risotto pero black siya kasi may squid ink, tapos may shrimps, clams, squid, mussels, tomato, and crispy parmesan chips on top. Sound exotic? Wait till matikman nyo. Marami pang food and drink selections dito and I say sulit. Be sure to save this for your next Boracay trip.